How to create a post on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a post on YouTube so that you can promote your latest video to your subscribers. Let's not waste another second and jump right into it. So inside of YouTube Studio, from the dashboard, we're going to scroll down, and on the left hand side, you're going to see latest post or go to community tab. We're going to select go to community tab. And from your community tab, you're going to be allowed to add an image, a poll, or a video. We're going to select video, and then we're going to head across to your YouTube videos. Then you can select the latest video that you've published on your channel, and you can write a post to your subscribers, and when you're ready you can click on post, and this is then going to appear in your subscribers feed, and it's even going to be shown to people that unsubscribe to your channel that are interested in the topic that your video is about. So it's a great way for you to get a little bit extra reach on your new videos and get some view velocity going at the start of your videos. A great way to get more engagement on your posts is to create a poll, and you can add different options. Polls are a really good way to increase engagement on posts and to reach new viewers that could be interested in your content. So make sure you use that poll option inside of the community posts. If you have any questions or queries about creating community posts on your YouTube channel, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. If you're excited to use your community post, let us know by smashing that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.